Alright guys, how we going? Just doing a little quick review here on Epic Funnels, which released actually yesterday. I did upload a video before, but it had no sound. Inadvertently selected the wrong microphone and I had nothing. So I was literally miming the entire thing and it just didn't work out. So I'm sorry guys. So what I'm doing is I'm going to go through a quick review of Epic Funnels, which is like a new funnel software that has a whole bunch of features, which is all included in one low one-time cost. So what I'm going to do, so what I do generally is I use a funnel myself, obviously, in order to generate traffic. I drive traffic through that funnel to qualify them to make purchases, and then I build the lists that way. So it's a very good way of doing it. Now I use ClickFunnels, which costs me at the moment $297 a month. I use now with Epic Funnels, it's a very similar platform with drag and drop features, very similar dynamic to ClickFunnels, and you'll be able to see that in a minute. But quickly, I'm just going to go through everyone wants to know the bonuses, pretty much first thing. So I'm just going to quickly go through the bonuses once you pick up Epic Funnels for around about, I think it's about $17 one time. So I'm just going to scroll down here. Now, the funnel proof speaks for itself. Funnels work. It really doesn't matter what software you use. The principle's the same, and funnels really do work. So as you can see here, like these are strictly my results from using funnels, and you'll be like, once you get going with funnels, and I'm a key advocator of it. Once you get going with funnels, guys, like, the world's your oyster. So when we get down here, the bonuses, if you pick up here on the front end only, you'll get the Lost Code, which is by Brendan Mace, which is a pretty solid product on how to use, like, obviously add on to the funnel working, and how to develop campaigns to promote affiliate products. You'll get the Fuego multiplier, so you'll learn to multiply your profits using a series of strategies for traffic. And you'll get Urgency Suites Pro, which is a really good one. So you can actually insert a custom, what do you call it, a HTML or a coding, where you'll be able to create sense of urgency like timers. You'll be also, like those progress bars, you'll be able to do that as well. And you'll have a whole series of stuff. Now you can also use this within emails, which is really cool to use. And you can actually jump on through that as well. So you'll get that as a bonus. The Suites Pro is usually worth around about, $300-400. So definitely worth it. Fuego Breakout's another affiliate program where you'll be able to learn how to start multiplying furthermore and getting your affiliate campaigns really dialed in. So now, even better, I'm going to throw in the Phoenix license rights, guys. Phoenix is just a product that Mark and I released just literally last week, yesterday. So it's fresh off the hook. You'll get 100% of the profits once you purchase through the front end of Epic Funnels, and I'll be able to grab that for you, get that done for you as quickly as I can too. Now, if you pick up any of the upgrades, it doesn't matter. I don't care if it's full price, downsell, if you bowl a whole funnel, if you don't. But you do have to pick up one of the upgrades to get this one. I'm going to give you the entire Breakout Code product suite. So you're going to get the Breakout Code, the training at the front. You'll get the Cash on Demand, which is the first upgrade. You'll get the Done For You package. You'll get the little black book. You'll get the case study masterclass, and you'll get the license rights to 100% of the profits. So guys, usually license rights cost $67. You could literally get license rights for 2 products for the space of probably nearly $30 or $40 here. So you're automatically saving. So guys, jump on, have a look around. If you feel like this bonus is the best for you, go ahead, grab it. No pressure, but yeah, I really do. I reckon I've got a solid bonus suite there. Now with Epic Funnels, we just take a quick dive inside. It's got the dashboard where you can hold multitudes of different functions. So you're going to have an email responder. You'll have reporting where you'll be able to do your analytics. So they didn't just stop, just getting the clunky functions going in there. They've got analytics. You can do scheduling, so you'll be able to schedule via calendar. So you'll be able to book appointments, reputation. You can do reviews, review requests. So if you've got products, you can stick them in the pipeline here, and you can get reviews on them. Contacts, so for example, you'll be able to list all your contacts, smart lists through automations. Funnels, which is where you'll be able to build your funnels. So I'm just going to quickly go over here. Now this one is, I think there's a good one down here where you'll be able to do it. For example, well, there's one here that's created like a day ago, so we'll have a look at that one. It looks like someone didn't just finish that one out. So this is the demo account, guys, just so you know. Just wanted to be transparent with you. So obviously here, like for example, if you're doing like an Amazon raffle type promo, which is like good for like a CPA offer, you'll be able to see it here. So obviously Billy's gone ahead and he's got some stuff here. You can do surveys, thank you pages. So we're just going to jump over. This is what the pages will actually look like, and they're pretty half decent too. So you'll be able to even got timers there, scarcity. You got your buttons here. Functionality, so you've pretty much got everything what pretty much ClickFunnels has within a one-stop shop. So you'll be able to automate, you'll be able to schedule reporting, marketing, which is like your email campaigns, see, SMS messaging, opportunities, so you can sort of like keep track of where you're at with that in terms of sales and whatnot. Conversations, so you can record conversations with people, see where you're at. So because you know how sometimes you get a whole bunch of conversations going on at once, this is a good way to sort of like list those as well. So just to recap, so this is Epic Funnels, guys. There are upgrades. There is the pro version. There's done for you. There's traffic. There's a whole suite of different features there. So you can just pick and choose what you need. The guys go through it in pretty good detail as you go through the steps after you make your purchase, but it really is a pretty solid product. So just to recap on the bonuses, guys, you're going to get on the front end, you get the loss code, you get the Fuego multiplier, you get the Urgency Suites Pro, you get the Fuego Breakout, and you're going to get the Phoenix license rights. Now if you grab any of the upgrades, looks like I've got the timer set to tonight, so after that is gone, you're going to get the breakout code, the full suite. You're going to get all the upgrades, everything that was included in that product. That product is just new. It's pretty much step by step how I generated 150 grand within 4 months. So you're going to get all of that. Alright guys, so thanks very much. I really hope you enjoyed this review. I look forward to having a chat. And take care, guys. Thank you very much. Cheers.